So maybe you're a student, maybe you're not. But if you've been thinking, I just need something extra, something I can start from where I am, then this video is for you. Because today I'm sharing 6 side hustle ideas that students can do, but honestly anyone can. And before we get into the list, I want to talk to you real quick just for a few minutes. Not to waste your time, but because I think how you see side hustles matters even more than which ones you try. You ever feel like people talk about side hustles like they're magic tricks? Like if you just find the right one, your money problems disappear. But that's not how money works. There's no perfect hustle, no secret website, no magical app. You don't make money because you find the right hustle. You make money because you understand what money is and why people pay it. And once you get that, you'll never beg again. You'll stop jumping from hustle to hustle, video to video, hoping one day something finally clicks. Here's the truth: money flows to people who solve real problems. That's the game. That's it. Now, I know some people watching this might want to fast forward. They'll scroll through, looking for the idea that changes everything. And maybe they'll say, nah, this is too simple, or this isn't for me. That's fine. But if you're someone who's tired of starting over every month, if you've ever launched something and got 0 sales, if you've watched others grow their income while you feel stuck, then stay with me, because this video isn't just a list, it's a shift. It's what I wish someone told me when I was just starting out. Let me say this loud and clear: side hustles saved me. They gave me choices. They helped me stop depending on people who didn't believe in my dreams. They helped me say no to things that didn't feel good and yes to things I actually wanted. I didn't have a lot when I started. I didn't have money. I didn't have connections. I didn't even have confidence. But I had one thing: a decision. A decision to stop waiting for someone else to give me permission, to stop playing small, to stop letting fear of what if it doesn't work keep me from starting. So if you're watching this video and you've been scared to try, I want you to know you're not lazy, you're not behind, you're not broken. You just need a simple place to begin, and that's what we're doing today. Here's how I want you to think about side hustles from now on. There are really just 3 simple ways to earn online. 1. You offer a service, something people pay you to do. 2. You sell a product, something people buy to solve a problem. 3. You create content and platforms or brands pay you for the attention you bring. That's it. Everything else is just a remix of those 3. And in today's video I'm going to show you 4 side hustle ideas under services, 2 under content. By the way, if you're tired of launching digital products and hearing crickets, I wrote something for you. It's called Stop Begging for Sales: The Secret Formula for Selling Digital Products. Inside, I show you how to actually sell, not just create. So if you've ever felt like nobody wants what you're offering, this will help. Links down in the description. It's short, it's powerful, and it'll change the way you think about selling forever. Alright, now that we've covered the mindset, let's dive into the practical. Here are 6 side hustle ideas you can start even if you're broke, you're a student, you're scared, you failed before. 1. Freelance writing, even if you don't call yourself a writer. Okay, don't click away. You might think, I'm not a writer, I don't even like writing, but hear me out. Every day, businesses post things online: Instagram captions, blog posts, emails, product descriptions, and guess what? Someone's getting paid to write those. That could be you. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to understand how people think and write like you're talking to a friend. That's it. Here's a quick way to start. 1. Pick one type of writing, like IG captions or blog intros. 2. Do 2 to 3 samples for fake brands just for practice. 3. Go on websites like Upwork or use your social media and offer your service. Start small, like $30 for a page. You'll get better fast, and better equals higher pay. And if you're thinking, who would pay me? Let me tell you something. At first, it feels weird, but people are paying for stuff like this every single day. So don't wait to feel ready. Start. Then get ready along the way. 2. Social media manager for small business owners. No, not like a TikTok influencer. I'm talking about helping local businesses post 3 to 5 times a week on Instagram or Facebook. So many business owners don't have time to post. They're busy with customers, packaging, delivery. They're exhausted. You come in and say, hey, I can create 4 posts per week and schedule them for you. Let's do a trial month. Start with $100 per month. That's it. You can use free tools like Canva to make the posts, or even just repurpose their old ones. You don't need to be fancy, just helpful. 3. Simple tech setups, even if you're not a techie. This one is sneaky good. Lots of people want to start a business but don't know how to set up things like email marketing, link in bio pages, Canva templates, Google Forms, online payment links. You don't need to code, you just need to know how to click buttons and follow steps. You can learn almost everything from YouTube tutorials. Then offer to do the setup for others. This can easily be $50, $200 per job, especially if you're fast. 4. Voiceover or reading work if you have a nice voice. This one's real. You can get paid to read audiobooks, do voiceovers for explainer videos, record guided meditations or podcast intros. There are websites like Fiverr and Voices.com where people hire voiceover artists all the time. You don't need a studio, just a quiet space and your phone or laptop mic, add a free voice editing app and boom, you're good. And no, you don't need an American accent, there's a market for all types of voices. Okay, those were the 4 service-based ideas. You offer your time, you solve a problem, you get paid. Now let's move to the last 2, and these fall under content. They're different, but powerful. Let's break them down. 5. Create a one-topic YouTube channel without showing your face. I know you might be like, I don't want to be a YouTuber. You don't have to be, there's a way to start small and make it work. Here's the idea: pick one helpful topic like how to use Canva, funny study tips, or budgeting hacks for students. Use your voice or text-to-speech, use free stock videos, post weekly. That's it. Eventually, YouTube pays you for views or brands pay you to mention them, or you grow a small community and sell your digital product. More on that in a second. Takes time, but it's a real long game. 6. Start a simple newsletter. Yes, you can do this. Most people don't think of this, but email newsletters are powerful. You can use a free tool like Beehive or MailerLite. You write one helpful tip per week on a topic people care about, like self-care, student life, or how to stop being broke. Build up 100 to 500 readers, then you start offering small digital products or partner with brands who want to promote inside your newsletter. It's simple, low cost, and builds long-term trust. You don't need to be a great writer, just a real one. Alright, let's bring this home. These 6 side hustle ideas, they're not meant to be perfect, they're meant to be possible. You don't need all 6, just pick one and start small. Remember, money doesn't come from begging, it comes from believing you have something worth offering and building around that. And if you're tired of watching your digital products sit there with 0 sales, or you're scared to even create one because you think nobody will buy, go download my ebook, Stop Begging for Sales: The Secret Formula for Selling Digital Products. I'll show you how to sell with confidence, even if you're brand new. It's short, clear, and real, and it's in the description below. No one's coming to save you, but you're not stuck either. Start where you are, start small and stay consistent. You got this. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on your notifications bell so you get notified when I upload my next video.